Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by x. Next, this one divide by this one divide by this one, so we have like this. Now I will concentrate this one first. So we need to find about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to arctan of 3x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 3 over 3x to the power of 2 plus 1 dx. Because we do first the derivative of 3x, that's why we have number 3 in here. 3x, that's a form arctan, that's why we have 3x to the power of 2 plus 1, and this one we have 9x squared. Because we don't have number 3 next to dx, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. dx over 9x squared plus 1 we change by du over number 3. So the integration of u, we have u squared over 2. Number 3 and number 2, we have number 6. About u, that is about this one. Now we concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x plus 1. Because we have x in here, so I will put number 1 go to the left. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we change by u. x we change by this one. dx we change by du. U divided by u squared, we have 1 over u. The next one we have negative number 1 over u squared. The integration of 1 over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, we have positive 1 over u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.